Just interested in what your international strategy is and how you kind of expect that to roll out over the next few years. I know you've talked about it. I know you released a small export this year, but interested in your forward strategy when it starts to become a little more sizable.
I think the key word here is strategy. I've said before, and I'll say it again, we're not traders looking to sell hockey bags of weed to sell under someone else's brand. We're brand builders. Our vision is to build the most trusted premium house of cannabis brands. And I didn't just say in Canada. So, looking at that, I think there's going to be natural movements of price, in particular the value and mainstream qualities. Canada currently is the home of quality weed being exported into the world. But we can't assume that will remain forever. There are great competition coming from Thailand. Colombia is turning on, various other places in the world. So what do we need to do to continue to win in that market? In my view, we need to be better, and that speaks to genetic and premium weed, and that's where we want to play. So we are not announcing what our strategy is. We are still doing the work. I expect by the end of this year have shipped to potentially 4, but definitely, not definitely, I expect that it's 3 countries by the end of the year, at minimum. And look beyond that into 2026 and 27, we're brand builders. So I would say that's how we're looking to go forward. We will not be, it will be off the back of the strength of our Canadian brands. We will not diminish or come away from the Canadian market at all. We're bringing on more capacity. We're looking at growth in the future. We want to stay strong in Canada, in our domestic market, to manage any ups and downs in the market that we expect that will be there. But I do expect that we'll be bringing brand to the international market.
Got it. And it's worth a follow-up, but when you mention competition coming online internationally, you note Thailand, you note Colombia, Latin America. I know a lot of these markets is kind of bulk input, bulk export, not necessarily competitive with you on the premium side. How much competition do you actually see within the premium category for international markets or international exports?
Well, I think we shouldn't have the hubris to assume that capable people from around the world aren't going to go and figure this out. But the challenge is around consistency. And so building brand is about delivering on consistent product quality and delivering for your customer consistently. And we've demonstrated that we can do that. I think that we're going to see individual drops from places. We've even seen that in the Canadian market. But being able to deliver that consistent, trusted brand promise is where I think Rubicon will win. Do I think there's going to be good quality that comes from all over the world? Absolutely. And bring on the fight. We're here to compete.